Hello and welcome to English with Mr. E. We're going to master grammar, listening, and speaking together.
I want to tell you something today.
Sure. What happened? You sound serious.
I feel very sad.
Sad? Why do you feel sad?
My friends laugh at me all the time.
Laugh at you? About what?
About my English.
Oh, that must hurt.
Yes, it hurts a lot. I try to speak English, but I make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
But when I make mistakes, they laugh.
Do they laugh every time?
Almost every time.
That is not nice at all.
Because of that, I feel afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of speaking English.
I understand. Fear grows when people laugh.
Yes, my mouth wants to speak, but my mind stops me.
That happens to many learners.
I practice sometimes, but I fail again and again.
Failing does not mean stopping.
But I feel weak.
You are not weak. You just need the right start.
What kind of start?
Start with simple present tense.
Simple present tense?
Yes,
Why not something bigger?
because simple things build strong confidence.
Is simple present tense really that important?
It is the most important tense for beginners
Why do you say that?
because we use it every day.
Every day?
Yes, every single day.
How do we use it?
We use it to talk about daily life.
Daily life?
Yes, things you do every day.
Can you give me examples?
Of course, I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth also.
I drink water.
I drink tea.
See? These are simple present tense sentences.
Oh, now I see.
You talk about what you do.
Yes, I talk about my actions.
That is simple present tense.
It looks easy.
It is easy when you do not overthink.
I always overthink.
Then stop thinking and start speaking.
But my friends,
Forget your friends for now. Focus on yourself.
do you speak English with your family?
Sometimes, but not always.
My family does not speak English.
That is okay.
Then how do I practice?
You practice with simple sentences.
Like what?
Like this. I go to school.
I go to college.
I read books.
I read novels.
I like cricket.
I like music.
These are daily sentences.
They sound very normal.
Because they are normal. English is normal language.
I always think English is very hard.
English becomes hard when fear comes.
Yes, fear controls me.
Let us practice together.
Okay, I will try.
Say something.
I drink milk.
Good. Say more.
I eat rice.
Very good.
I walk to the market.
Nice sentence.
I play with my sister.
Excellent.
Really?
Yes, you are doing well.
I feel a little proud.
You should feel proud.
Do you think I can really improve?
Yes, you can improve easily.
Easily?
If you practice daily, yes.
I feel happy when you say that.
Tell me about your morning.
I wake up early.
What do you do next?
I wash my face.
Then,
I brush my teeth.
what do you eat?
I eat bread.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
Very good. All simple present tense.
I did not even notice.
That is the beauty of it.
My teacher speaks English in class.
Do you understand?
Sometimes I understand, sometimes I do not.
Do you ask questions?
No, I feel shy.
Shyness is normal, but silence is not helpful.
My friends laugh if I ask.
Then ask anyway.
That is hard.
Growth is always hard.
You are right.
You speak better today.
Really?
Yes.
I feel better now.
Good. Keep speaking.
You told me simple present tense is very important.
Yes, it is very important.
Can you explain it again, slowly?
Of course. I will explain in easy way.
Okay, I am listening.
Simple present tense is the base of English.
Base?
Yes, like the foundation of a house.
Oh, like a house needs a strong base.
Exactly.
And English needs simple present tense.
Yes. Without it, English becomes weak.
That makes sense.
We use simple present tense for habits.
Habits?
Things you do again and again.
Like what?
Like this. I wake up at 7. I drink tea every morning. I go to school every day.
These are habits.
Yes.
What else?
We also use it for facts.
Facts?
Yes. Things that are always true.
Give me an example.
The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees.
These are facts.
Right.
Anything more?
Yes. We use it for fixed times and schedules.
Like time?
Yes. For example, the train leaves at 9. The class starts at 10.
Oh, so we can use it for future time also.
Yes, but only fixed future.
I understand now.
And most importantly, we use it for daily talk.
Daily talk is very important.
That is why beginners must learn it first.
I think I use it all the time.
You do, but you do not notice.
That is true.
Let us talk about your day.
Okay.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
What do you do then?
I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
Good. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
After that?
I go to college.
Do you study hard?
Yes, I study hard.
See, you are speaking simple present tense naturally
I did not feel scared.
because you are talking about real life.
My friends laugh when I forget grammar.
Grammar comes later. Speaking comes first.
That makes me feel relaxed.
You should not stop because of laughter.
I know, but it hurts.
Pain is part of growth.
You speak like a teacher.
I speak like a friend.
That feels better.
Tell me, what do you do after college?
I go home. I rest for some time.
Then,
I read books.
what kind of books?
I read short stories.
That is very good for English.
I read silently.
Try reading aloud
Why?
because it helps speaking.
I will try.
Do you write anything?
Sometimes.
Write every day.
What do I write?
Write about your day. Simple sentences only.
Like what?
Like this. Today I wake up early. I go to college. I study with my friends.
That looks easy.
Easy things bring big results.
Do you watch English movies?
Yes, I do.
I do not watch.
Why not?
I do not understand.
Use subtitles.
I do not like subtitles.
Try anyway.
Okay, I will try.
Do you listen to English songs?
Sometimes.
That also helps
I feel better now.
because you are practicing.
I still make mistakes.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
My friends think they are perfect.
They are not.
Everyone makes mistakes?
Everyone.
Then I should not feel shy.
Exactly.
I want to speak every day.
Make it a habit.
I will make 10 sentences daily.
Speak them aloud.
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast at 8. I go to college at 9.
Very good.
I feel confident now.
Confidence grows step by step.
Simple present tense gives confidence.
Yes, Because it talks about your life.
I like it now.
Everyone likes it when they understand it.
I am not afraid anymore.
That is the biggest success.
I can speak English.
Yes, you can.
I improve every day.
And you will improve more.
Thank you for helping me.
Always.
You never laugh at me.
I respect learners.
I respect you too.
Keep going.
I speak English with joy now.
That joy will take you far.
Simple present tense helps me speak daily life English.
Yes, that is why it is the foundation.
I believe in myself now.
And that belief changes everything.